Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MORI coin. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MORI coin is a community driven meme token on the Solana blockchain built around the viral online persona of Professor Morality to unite his existence audience with tangible crypto utility. A cult following meme token. It is a digital asset representing the community of Professor Morality, a popular online figure with billions of followers, ecosystem with evolving utility. Beyond the meme, it incorporates a Telegram bot for engagement and plans real utility like a VPN and payment integration. Community-centric tokenomics. A portion of every transaction feeds a community treasury, fostering a member-owned league. MORI coin total supply is 999.99 million and circulating supplies around 800 million MORI coin. MORI coin is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.